Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to create a category in WordPress. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are in your internet browser, go to wordpress.com and make sure you have already logged in. Once on WordPress, click on Posts, and then there should be a pop-up and then look for Categories. Once you find it, you will now be redirected to the Categories tab. In here, you can click on the button that says Add New Category. And from here, you can create as much categories as you want over at your WordPress account. As an example, you can tap on the scarlet button that says Add New Category. As such, a window will pop up. And then in here, you can name your category together with its description in the description box. Once you are satisfied with your description, all you have to do right now is to click on the button that says Add. Its color scarlet, so it's not hard to miss. It is on the bottom right corner of your screens. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.